Alright everybody, well, today we're going on a different kind of adventure. We're gonna go on a train ride, huh Will? Are we gonna go ride that train?
Yes we are!
Grandma and Will's going on their first train rides. Alright.
Excited.
Well, we'll see everybody on board. Oh, we're taking a ride on the Senic Railroad. I was on here once before when I was a small child, so now we're taking Will. Tell him, Will. Say, we're going on a train.
Say hi.
Are you telling them all about it? Yeah? Oh my. Yeah, that's the microphone. That's where you tell them. Say, train. Yeah. Come, we're going on a ride.
Say, see you guys when we get back.
Get back.
Bye.
They told us, well, they said all aboard. Yep. They said all aboard. Everyone get on the train. Yep, all aboard. So we're going for a ride. We're going to get going pretty soon, huh?
Today we're going to be traveling up the Greenbrier division of the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad, also known as the C&O, which once supplied Casford's main connection to the outside world. When we come to the water tower, we'll switch to the old logging railroad of the West Virginia Pulp and Paper Company, once known as Midwest-Vaco, now known as West Rock. At the end of the parking lot, the ruins are the only remains of the former sawmill that was once in operation here at Cass. They began building the first mill in 1901.
Are we moving? Oh, everybody say, here we go. Say, here we go on a train ride.
We moving. We moving.
Yeah, we're going on a train ride, huh? When we get up here, remember, they're going to blow the whistle again. Yep, after they blow the whistle, then Papa will stop recording you for a minute so Papa can show you everything. Everybody say, look. Say, here we go. Whoa. There's a caboose. They're going to get ready to blow the whistle pretty soon once we get up here by the bend. Yep, once we get up here, they're going to blow the whistle.
Operated both as a logging locomotive and a common carrier until 1965 and served the Hutchinson Lumber Company, and then the common carrier for the River Railway enter number 3.
You see all the smoke rolling back there?
The mill was completed by January 25th of 1902. In September of 1904,
that caboose is from the Chesapeake and Ohio.
95,000 feet of timber. By 1910, the mill averaged 125,000 board feet of timber a day. Counting pulpwood and lumber product, Cass Mill was shipping 44 rail car loads a day.
Yep, there's people up here watching us.
point for the builders of the
Well, Papa,
railroad to
hold it for a
follow
bit.
when they
Give
were
Grandma a break.
constructing tracks. As
Here we
start
go.
out again, you'll probably notice that instead of being pushed by the engine, we are now being pulled. Since we do have coal-burning engines here at Cass, there will be some smoke and cinders coming back over the roofs of the cars. It's probably a good idea for you to keep your head in under the roof of your own car to prevent cinders from coming back and getting in your eyes. However, if you do happen to get a cinder in your eye, whatever you do not rub your eye. You will scratch it. Just ask any one of the crew members and we'll give you some eye wash.
Might want to sit down with him for this part.
Promise we'll have to test the water to make sure that it's nice and cold and to tell Brown to adjust the temperature. Now, of course, the water is cold up here, but the pipes on the side of the engine is nice and hot. So once the water is put in, then we'll continue our excursion going up the mountain.
Why are they putting water in there? I don't like it that way. It's just how it is now.
I'm not sure how much
Alright folks, here in just a moment as we start out again, you might want to brace yourselves just in case the train gives a little bit of a jerk.
Will says the best part about train rides is cookies. Is cookies a good part about train rides? Will just woke up from a nappy. He had a nice little nap and now he's enjoying a cookie. All right, everybody. We took the train up to the top of the mountain. And we made it to the top of the mountain. So we're gonna go up here and we're gonna see what kind of view we have, huh, Will? What do you think, Will? You're seeing it. Is it pretty cool?
He's distracted.
Yeah, he's checking out everything else. All right, so we'll come up here and let's see. There's the view that we got. Well, we've stopped here at Whitaker Station coming back down the mountain. Maybe we'll see about getting Will a hot dog or something. What do you think, Will? You're just taking in all the sights, huh? You're like, I want to see the engine, the locomotive. It's up there, huh? What do you think? Terry Bay say this locomotive's cool. It's got all kinds of gears and wheels, and it blows off steam, and blows its whistle, and dings its bell. It does all kinds of cool things, huh?
J11. Check it out, Will.
And that's where they work, up in there with all the controls, huh?
What do you think, Will? You want to be a conductor? You want to be a conductor?
Isn't that so cool? Thanks for watching our train ride. Please like and subscribe.